Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your January 2024 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. And I don't have my little paper in here because I got a December paper with my January beads, but I knew that was coming. You won't. You will get, your normal stuff. So here's the dollar bead bag. It's $8 a month. So normally, you'd see this and it would say January. Okay, it's $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And I'm getting Frozen vibes here. It's very nice and love the wintry, probably going into springy colors. Aren't they beautiful? So let's put them all out. Whoops, I'm stuck. Okay, I'll just put them all out and then we'll come back and look at them. Let's look at the 3mm beads. So we've got some a matte light aqua. And my lights are washing it out. There really is a aqua color in there. We've got blue violet. Look at these gorgeous colors. They're very wintry. Pink opal and matte aqua. Aren't these gorgeous? I mean, I say these are spring beads also, but looking out my window right now with all the snow, they're definitely there's some winter vibes going on here. Look at these gorgeous 4mm tanzanite vitriol. And I love that vitriol coating on there, the tanzanite color bead. Isn't that pretty? Blue violet, so we have this in a 3 and a 4. Light aqua, we have this in the matte 3mm. Isn't that, I love that they're coordinating these beads so beautifully. And we have light pink. So these are gorgeous. There you go, here are your fire polish beads, and isn't that pretty? Love it. Okay, let's look at the box. Taking everything out of the box, and this color story is beautiful. So here's the letter. So they're wishing you a happy new year. They said they've had a lot of changes over the past year, so you'll check the website and for details. They do have a special offer here. Place an order anytime between now and midnight, February 29th, 2024, and save 10% off any current dollar bead box items, and they give you a code. Here are also their social media. Here's the list. Let's get into it. Let's start with the strands. So we have a 3x5mm pinch bead in ice blue, and that is an icy blue, isn't it? That is so pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. Sorry, I don't mean to overwhelm you there. They're beautiful. 45 pieces. And then we have a 12x12mm check glass 2-hole hexagon pyramid, matte crystal, 25 pieces. And when I first looked at it, I thought it was a square, but look, it's a pyramid. And it looks like ice crystals, doesn't it? Oh, I just love it. So pretty. One of the Lucerna bicones, and I love these. We haven't seen these in a while. And they're just so pretty. And isn't that a gorgeous color? Cadet blue. It's a 6mm. You get 25 pieces. And then we have a check glass Druck Jet Rainbow Iris. That's wrong. So let's get that one. Jet Rainbow Iris. There you go. And you get 48 pieces. It's a 3mm Druck. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Okay, next up we have some daggers, check glass daggers, 3x10mm jet hematite or matte silver, 38 pieces. And I love hematite and silver together. I have a whole box of hematite beads. I'm going to have to pull those out and make something with those. I haven't done that in a while. And then 4mm check glass Druck. I love this color. It's called Alexandrite, 50 pieces. Beautiful. Look at this gorgeous button. This is so pretty. 18mm check glass blue periwinkle button. And look at that. Look at the flower on that. Isn't that pretty? Is that a flower? Yeah, it is. That's gorgeous. That is a beautiful button. I mean, they do such a good job. And then we have a 10mm check fire polish jet vintage silver, 6 pieces. So the jet and then the vintage silver, coating on it there. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty it looks with those. Love these beads. These are so pretty. This is a little rondelle, 3mm light aqua. You get 50, and it is tiny. Let me see if I can pull it super tight so you can see it. See that? That's a little rondelle spacer. I love that. So, so pretty. It's cute. We've got a 11x16mm check glass heart leaf, opaque light blue with dark pink, 2 pieces. Isn't that cute? So cute. I just adore their beads. They're so pretty. And then we have a Chinese crystal cut rectangle 5x9mm periwinkle rainbow iris. I love the periwinkle, the blue in this and the pink. Oh, so pretty. Beautiful. Isn't this adorable? The little heart toggle, and it is, let's see, 17mm heart and key toggle. Oh, it's a key, a key to your heart. Oh, how cute is that? I love that. That is so, look at that, it's adorable. And then we have check glass waterfall cut crystals, 8mm, 10 pieces. And that's a beautiful cut they have there. Look how sparkly it is. Just love it. This is calling for a lot of like stringing a lot of all these colors together and making a big sparkly necklace for winter. Okay, hello, beautiful lampwork bead. We'll get to that in a second. We have a check glass heart, 8mm matte black AB, 10 pieces, and isn't that beautiful? I love the AB on the black. Isn't that pretty? It's gorgeous. And look at this lampwork bead. Hello. I think you're going to get, let's see, style and color varies. You get one piece 10 to 16mm. So any, size between those. Isn't that cute? I love that. It's so cheerful seeing pink and blue together. I don't know. It is so pretty. And the black, what a great combo. That's beautiful. Okay, next up we have check glass daisies in pink, 3x8mm. Get 30 pieces, and they're little sort of like daisy spacers, aren't they? Very cute, very adorable. Look great in between the other beads. Great as a little spacer for an earring. And look at this pretty heart. This is a check glass kiwi heart, crystal pink with gold wash, one piece. It's 18mm, and that's pretty, just like a stone, doesn't it? Look at that. That's so pretty. Love it. So we have check glass bead mix, Lush Garden, 20 to 25 grams. And isn't that a beautiful mix? I just want to show you something that I made a while ago. Not with, this was from a different dollar bead box and, other beads. But this is like something you can make, a stranded necklace using these gorgeous bead mixes they have. And they're check glass beads. So I'm going to link this down below for those of you who haven't seen this, because it's so much fun to make. And you use all your dollar bead box beads and just throw in whatever other beads you have and some findings. All right, so here you go. Here's our dollar bead box. Here's the bag. So, here's the bag, here's the box. I just think they're beautiful. You're going from winter, spring into summer with these beads. They're so, so nice. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.